This is Consonant Blend, SC. Consonant blends are when we take 2 or 3 consonants and each says its own sound, but we blend them together in words. So let's begin with consonant SC. S says S, S, S. C says K, K, K. Together they say sk. Let's do that again. Sk. Good. Let's try some new words. Tap and stretch our new word. Scab. Tap and stretch again. Scab. Say it fast like a word. Scab. Say it fast. Scab. Yes, that's the word scab, like I finally have a scab on the cut on my knee. Let's find out what our new word is. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Scam. Tap and stretch again. Scam. Say it fast. Scam. Say it fast. Scam. Scam. Yeah, like that was just a scam. They were trying to get my money. Let's try another one. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Scan. Tap and stretch again. Scan. Say it fast. Scan. Say it fast. Scan. Yes, scan. Like you scan a document on the scanner. Okay, let's try this new word. You ready? Tap and stretch. Scot. Tap and stretch again. Scot. Say it fast like a word. Scott. Say it fast. Scott. Yeah, that's the name Scott. And if we're using it as a name, then our first letter is going to be capitalized. We always capitalize the first letter of names of people and places. All right, let's tap this word and stretch it. Ready? Scum. Tap and stretch again. Scum. Say it fast like a word. Scum. Say it fast. Scum. Scum. Like that stuff that floats in the top of the pond and sometimes it's at the bottom of a bucket of water. Scum. That is our consonant blend SC. Good work.